Production technology. Cast iron gears are used where all of the above. Stresses on gear are not high. Size of the gear is large. High order of accuracy is not desired. While machining, which of the following improves surface finish? Increased cutting speed. Optical flats are made of wards. Dry blast cleaning involves option D, blasting the surface with oil. A right hand tool on lathe machine will cut efficiently while cutting from right to left. Ceramic tool inserts are fixed to the tool holder by bracing. The pouring of molten metal during casting should be stopped when option A, molten metal rises in the riser. In shearing operation on a power press, total cutting force depends on all of the above: sharpness of cutting edge, clearance between die and punch, angle of shears on die and punch. Which strength is the major consideration? Which of the following process should be favored? Forging. While cutting double start threads of pitch 2 mm on a lathe, the cutting tool will advance by 4 mm by revolution. In ultrasonic welding, the frequently range is generally option E, 4000 to 20,000 CPS. In which of the following process the electrode is not consumed? TIG welding. Which of the following is a clearance fit? Sliding fit. Which hardening process is free for scale formation? Option D, induction hardening. Mitter gears are right angled bevel gears having the same number of teeth. In gas welding using oxygen and acetylene cylinders, the pressure of gas is more in oxygen cylinder. Some substances generate voltage when they are subjected to mechanical forces or stresses along specific planes. Such substances are known as piezoelectric. Ball bearing races are option A, lapped. In centerless grinding, the regulating wheel is inclined at an angle. Option C, 1 to 8. Which of the following operation is not involved in heat treatment of steels? Tumbling. The surface roughness on a drawing is represented by option B, triangle. There, a rock is a gear of infinite diameter. The shears used for making circular cuts are known as curved shears. For the measurement of temperature, the transduction method could be resistance. Core are used. Option C, to get cavity or recess in a casting. Which of the following process will be preferred for joining thin foils? Plasma ARC welding. Resistance wire strain gauge works on the principle. Option B. Due to elongation, length increases, diameter reduces, thereby resistance changes. If the correctness of profile of a thread is to be checked, which instrument would you choose? Optical projector. Which is the first element of the tool signature? Option D. Back rack angle. The surface finish. The surface finish obtainable in obsessive jet machining is of the order of 0.5 to 1.2. Bighorn stack is used to bend sheet metal into cylindrical. Paper cutting neve steel contains carbon percentage 1.3 to 1.5%. In broaching operation, the accuracy that can be obtained is of the order of 1 micron. Steam condenser tubes are generally made of admirably alloy. The decibel is the logarithmic ratio between the measured quantity and a reference quantity. In a coupler, the raw material is big iron and iron scrap. Principal materials used in soldering are tin and lead. A 30 mm diameter is being machined when the chuck is revolving at 100 rpm. The cutting speed is nearly 60 meters per minute. Out of the following materials, which one is expected to have highest melting point? Option B. Tungsten. Which of the following is not used for orthogonal cutting? Drills. Vacuum is the medium of machining in cases of electron beam machining. A job made of foreign is stronger than a job made by casting machine. A metal cutting operation shears angle is defined as the angle made by the plane of shears with the direction of tool travel. In which of the following machining process thermoelectric energy is used for machining operations? All of the above. Ion beam machining, electro discharge machining, laser beam machining, electro beam machining. A shim is a thin piece of sheet metal used between matting parts of provide the proper distance. For the measurement of pressure of liquids at high temperature using pressure, option D. A siphon filled with liquid is used to protect the Bourdon tube. Work holding faces of the bench vise are serrated. Blarmometers is used for the measurement of thermal radiation. A steady rest is used for long jobs. If the rack angle on a HSS lathe tool is 25 degrees, the materials being machined is option B, aluminum.